Unraveling the meaning of payoff. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across, payoff. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in various contexts. Payoff primarily refers to the payment of a debt or completion of an obligation. For instance, if you have a loan and you finish repaying it, that final payment can be referred to as the payoff. Example, I made the final payoff on my car loan today. The car is finally all mine. Apart from the literal meaning, payoff can also be used figuratively in English. In this context, it denotes the benefit or reward one gets as a result of some action or investment. Example, the payoff for studying hard is getting good grades. When talking about movies, books, or TV shows, a payoff is the climax or the resolution of a build-up in the storyline. It's that moment where everything comes together, and the audience gets satisfaction from the outcome. Example, the movie had a slow start, but the payoff at the end was totally worth it. Payoff is versatile and can be used in different situations, both formally and informally. Here are a few more examples to help you incorporate it into your conversations. 1. She worked overtime for months, but the payoff was her dream vacation. 2. The initial chapters of the book are quite complex, but the payoff in the end makes it a must-read. 3. Investing in this startup might be risky, but the potential payoff could be huge. That wraps up our deep dive into the term payoff. We've seen its various meanings and how it fits into different contexts. I hope this video helps you use payoff confidently in your conversations. Remember, language is all about understanding and practice, so keep learning and using new phrases. Happy learning!